Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your place. And today, once again, I am your Oniri ma'am, and today I am here with the advertisement writing or ad writing, you can say that. So here they are giving you a particular topic regarding that. There are two type of advertisement, like classified advertisement and commercial. Generally, they are asking you for a commercial advertisement. Okay, so it will really help you to gain good marks, but it should be attractive, okay, colorful, and the uh, needed information should be there. It is compulsory, okay, that we will see how it will help you. Okay, yes, advertisement writing. So as I told you, it is very helpful whenever you are working for a particular company. It will really help you to create such a advertisement. Nowadays it's a computer era, so you will find so many creative options in your computers too. So advertisement writing is really a good source of mm, giving identity to your product in a market. Okay, so advertisement is one of the finesse form of marketing, so it will really help you to make your product popular uh, in this world of technology, as well as it will really help you to uh, represent your idea in a creative form. Yes, introduction. Advertising is how a company encourages people to buy their products, services, or ideas. Okay, so this is how company encourages people to buy their products, their services, or ideas. That is called an advertisement. Ad, for a short, is anything that draws good attention towards these things. Okay, and this is how advertisement is something which is any ad is anything that draws good attentions towards these things of like buying a particular products or its benefits. It is usually designed by an advertising agencies for a sponsor or a brand and made public by various media. Okay, so here they are generally advertising agencies are there for sponsor or a brand and made public by various media to include or connect them with this kind of different new this way of new way. It connect people to new way of how to buy service or products of a particular company and how it will help you. Generally, advertisement creates such a uh, mindset that why this product is needed and why it is compulsory, why its use is compulsory to in your life and how it will change your life. So this is how they are creating such a kind of mindset of a people. Okay, so this is how advertisement is a very effective way of communication with the people and selling your products and encourage your people to buy their products and services and ideas. Yes, an advertisement is an audio or visual form of marketing communication to promote or sell a product, service, or a idea. As I told you that it's a visual, audio visual form of marketing communication to promote or sell a product, service, or a idea. Now, these are the 5 tips for writing an advertisement. Use short sentences. Long sentences will not sell your ad, let alone your product. So, if long sentences are there, then it will put your ad alone only. So, use short sentences. Use different sentence structures. Do not be afraid to be creative in your writing. Whenever you are writing, don't be afraid. You can use different creativity while you are writing advertisement. Keep your ad shorts. Your ad should be shorts, as we all know that if we are go through this television ads, which is in a media form, then it should be just of 1 minute or not more than 2 minutes. Okay, so it's in between this 1 minute or 50 seconds or 60 seconds. So this is how it will help you. Close with a statement that calls your reader to action. A particular statement you have to use, so that is your reader, that calls your reader to your actions, and reread and rewrite as necessary. Just whenever you are doing this, just reread and rewrite if it is necessary. So you have to be very careful while you are making an ad, or while you are particularly dealing with the printed media or a media. You have supposed to be very careful while you are forming the particular advertisement. Yes, advertisement should include the following to make it attractive. So this should be there, like name of the product, brand and outlet, addresses with the contact information and website. So you have supposed to do this is compulsory, so they can people can contact you. Appealing image means visuals of the product, service, idea to be advertised. Target demographics, audiences and customers. Feel good discounts and offers. Colorful background should be there. Colorful and readable text should be there. Brief and catchy description and benefits about the products, and use borders and lines to organize. Okay, so this is the things you have supposed to use: colorful background, colorful and readable text, feel good discounts and offers. You have supposed to think about a targeted audience and customers. Okay, borders and lines, images you have supposed to use to organize it in a well manner. So here, hurry, 50% off, group tours, limited seats, Tamil Travels, Europe, Australia and USA. So this is how it is about a group tours who is planning to for this tour to Europe, Australia and USA. So here they put like, look, group tours, the name, Europe, Australia, USA, limited seats are there. So hurry. Why hurry? Because 50% offer is there. They have put this image of Europe, Australia and USA, and at the end they give their address where you are supposed to contact them. Okay, like Tamil Travel 162 Rajajai Road, Egmore, Chennai 60008. Okay, 600008. So this is how you are supposed to go to visit this place. Or now in today's, you have supposed to write down your mobile number and your email address, so anyone can contact you. Yes, this is the second one, that footwear, shoes, chappals, imported footwear, 20% discounts, gents, ladies and kids, all the varieties are available. So this is footwear, shoes, chappals, imported footwear for gents, ladies and kids, 20% discount should be there. Number 3, 100 feet road, Vadapalani, chapter 20, chamber 26. Okay, so this is how here in this, it's the whole form, but you have supposed to write down your contact number. It is an important aspect. Okay, here this mouth-watering delicious food, hygienic preparation, affordable price, make you long for me for more and more. Okay, makes you long for more and more. So crave and rave vegetarian restaurant. So mouth-watering delicious food are there. Okay, affordable price, hygienic preparation, home delivery. Here you can also write down some dishes, as you have suggested that it's a vegetarian restaurant. Okay, but what sorts of foods? I like Indian foods. In Indian there are the Punjabi, the South Indian, the Kathiawadi. So you can define this kind of things in your advertisement too. Separate hall is available for parties. Okay, and 23 Nehru Street, Coimbatore, and here they give their number. So this is important. Your email should be there. If you have a fax number, then it should be there. So you have included this technological aspect in your advertisement. Yes, now it is about Z Fine Arts Academy. Okay, so admissions are there: Carnatic vocal, Veena, violin, guitar. Then this keyboard classes, drawing and art classes. So contact number, duration of courses and fees. So here you will find that first they have a very good Z Fine Arts Academy. Then they put a good image of academy. Then admissions open, summer classes and courses. Then art, craft and drawing. Then Carnatic vocals, Veena, violin, guitar, keyboard classes by professional. Contact number for free particulars. Okay, generally you have to about asking about fees and all, then you particularly call for this number, and you find that look, the different this musical instruments are drawn to make their ad attractive. Okay, they are given their phone number, as I told you that email ID and fax number is the latest one. So if you have, then you're supposed to put it in your this advertisement. Okay, now it's about fresh fruits, vegetables from farms, healthy, juicy, tasty, low price, care for health, fruits and vegetables, 59 Mini Street, Trichy. So here, care for health, low price, fresh fruits, vegetables from directly farms, healthy, juices, tasty. Okay, so this is how fruits and vegetables, 59 Mini Street, Trichy. So this is how you will find your advertisement. Here I have told you that you're supposed to add your number, phone number. Okay. Yes. To sum up, I would like to sum up this Mary Wells Lawrence quotes. The best advertising should make you nervous about what you are not buying. Yes, this is how this advertisement industries work. Okay, you are not buying this product, this beauty products, it is needed, it is your day to day life need, though you really don't need it, but if they wants to sell some products, then they have supposed to create a certain mindset that okay, you are not using, this is not good, you have to use this Fair and Lovely, then you will get a very good HD glow. Otherwise you won't be look like very good, though you have a good beauty, you will feel that okay, without using Fair and Lovely I won't get a good beauty. So this is how advertising should make you nervous about what you are not buying or what you are not using particular product, because if you are not buying their products, then they won't be able to get benefit of that. So they, by this creating such an advertisement, they condition your mind, and this is how this advertisement industry work. And that is why she's saying that the best advertising should make you nervous about what you are not buying. not using, but what you are not buying about a particular company and about particular products. So this is how they make you nervous. They make your mind condition that okay, you are not buying this product, this is not good for you, this is the need of your day to day life. And this is how this advertisement industry is working a lot and improving a lot, and it will really help to these companies and the this big big companies and this business to grow or marketing themselves with the help of the advertisement is the biggest media form in today's time. So I hope you get the idea that how you can prepare your this advertisement, make it attractive, beautiful, colorful, so you will get a good marks, and it will really help you in future to prepare your own advertisement regarding your business or regarding your work. I hope you understand. I hope you have cleared the idea, you liked it. Okay, and try to make some advertisement regarding different topics, and it will really help you to gain a good marks, and as well as it will really help you to in your future. If you are working with any company and you are supposed to deal with this kind of creative section, then it will really help you how to create or how to make an advertisement. Okay, bye bye.